Top 4 best meats to flush out toxins and repair your kidneys fast. Most people assume that if they have kidney problems, they need to cut out meat completely, but that is not the full story. The truth is, the wrong meat can make your kidneys work harder, increase inflammation, and allow waste to build up in your blood over time. But the right meat, prepared the right way, can actually support kidney repair, reduce protein waste, and help your kidneys filter more efficiently. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 4 best meats that are gentle on your kidneys, backed by real clinical research, and recommended by kidney nutrition specialists across the United States. I will tell you exactly what each meat does for your kidneys, how much to eat, and the safest way to prepare it. Stay until the end, because meat number 2 comes with a preparation secret that most people never talk about, and it could make all the difference for how your kidneys handle protein. Let us get started. Meat number 1 is the most recommended protein source in kidney-friendly meal plans across the United States: skinless chicken breast. Now you have probably heard that chicken is a healthy protein, but what most people do not know is exactly why skinless chicken breast, specifically, is so much better for your kidneys than almost any other meat available. Here is exactly what happens inside your kidneys. Every time you eat protein, when your body breaks down protein, it produces a waste product called urea. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering that urea out of your blood and removing it through your urine. The more protein waste produced, the harder your kidneys must work. Different proteins produce different amounts of urea, and skinless chicken breast produces significantly less urea per gram of protein compared to red meat and processed meats. This means your kidneys get the full benefit of high-quality protein without the heavy filtration burden. Skinless chicken breast is also one of the leanest protein sources available. Lower fat content means lower production of inflammatory compounds during digestion. And since chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of kidney tissue damage over time, choosing a lean protein like skinless chicken breast directly reduces the inflammatory load on your kidneys every single day. A study published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association found that lean poultry, specifically skinless chicken, was associated with significantly lower levels of kidney stress markers compared to equivalent amounts of red meat protein in adults with early-stage kidney disease. And here is something most people never talk about. The way you cook chicken changes how much phosphorus your kidneys have to process. Boiling or poaching chicken leaches out a significant portion of the natural phosphorus from the meat into the cooking water. This means the chicken you eat contains less phosphorus than the same chicken grilled or fried, giving your kidneys a meaningfully lighter mineral load with every meal. Here's exactly how to prepare it for maximum kidney benefit. Remove the skin completely before cooking. Boil or poach the chicken in plain water. Discard the cooking water and season with fresh herbs, lemon juice, and a small amount of olive oil. No added salt, no heavy marinades with sodium or phosphate additives. 3 to 4 ounces per meal, 3 to 4 times per week, is the ideal amount for most adults managing kidney health. Tell me in the comments, is chicken already a regular part of your diet? And did you know that boiling it first makes such a significant difference for your kidneys? I read every single comment, and I would genuinely love to know your experience. Meat number 2 is one that is often overlooked, but deserves serious attention from anyone who wants to protect their kidney health: lean turkey. When looking for meats that are gentle on the kidneys, lean turkey is another option often recommended in kidney-friendly meal plans in the United States. Here is why lean turkey earns its place on this list. Lean turkey, specifically the breast meat without skin, shares many of the same benefits as skinless chicken. It is high in quality protein, low in saturated fat, and produces a lower urea load compared to red meat. But lean turkey has one specific advantage that sets it apart from chicken. Turkey is naturally rich in tryptophan. Tryptophan is an amino acid that your body uses to produce serotonin. And research published in the journal Nephrology Dialysis Transplantation found that serotonin pathways play a role in reducing oxidative stress in kidney tissue, particularly in patients with chronic kidney disease. This means lean turkey not only provides kidney-friendly protein, it also contains a compound that helps protect kidney cells from the oxidative damage that silently accumulates over years. Lean turkey is also a good source of selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral with powerful antioxidant properties. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adequate selenium intake was associated with significantly lower levels of kidney inflammation markers in adults over 50. Lower inflammation, slower kidney decline. That is a direct and meaningful connection. Now, before we move on, if this video is already giving you real value today, please take 2 seconds and subscribe to this channel. We share research-based kidney health information every single week, completely free, for people who want to protect their health naturally. Here's exactly how to prepare lean turkey for kidney health. Choose fresh, unprocessed turkey breast, not deli turkey, not smoked turkey, not packaged turkey slices. These processed versions are extremely high in sodium and phosphate preservatives, which completely cancel out every kidney benefit turkey provides. Roast or poach fresh turkey breast without adding salt. Season with fresh rosemary, thyme, or sage, which are all naturally low in potassium and phosphorus. 3 to 4 ounces per meal, 2 to 3 times per week is ideal. Tell me in the comments, do you eat turkey regularly? Or has it always been just a Thanksgiving meal for you? Drop your answer below. I genuinely read every single one. Meat number 3 is a protein source that kidney nutrition specialists across the United States consistently place at the top of their recommended food lists. White fish. White fish is another protein source often used in hospital kidney diets across the United States. And once you understand exactly why, you will see how powerful this simple choice really is. White fish includes varieties like cod, tilapia, sole, flounder, and haddock. And what makes these fish so uniquely valuable for kidney health comes down to 3 specific properties. First, whitefish is extremely low in phosphorus compared to most other animal proteins for kidneys that are struggling to filter minerals efficiently. But this lower phosphorus content means less mineral buildup in the blood and less strain on the filtration system with every meal. Second, whitefish is very low in potassium. High potassium is one of the most dangerous complications of kidney disease because kidneys that are not functioning properly cannot remove excess potassium efficiently. Whitefish gives you complete high-quality protein with almost no potassium burden on your kidneys. Third, the whitefish contains omega-3 fatty acids, and even in small amounts, these anti-inflammatory fats do something very specific inside your kidneys. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that omega-3 fatty acid intake was directly associated with reduced inflammatory markers in kidney tissue and slower progression of kidney function decline. In adults with early to moderate chronic kidney disease, whitefish delivers all 3 of these kidney benefits simultaneously. In one of the most easily digestible protein sources available, here is how to prepare whitefish correctly for kidney health. Bake, steam, or poach whitefish fillets, no added salt, no breading, which adds phosphorus and sodium, season with fresh lemon juice, dill, or parsley, 4 ounces per meal, 3 to 4 times per week, is a genuinely powerful habit for anyone managing kidney health at any stage. Did you know whitefish was used in hospital kidney diets, and why it is considered one of the safest proteins available for kidneys? Tell me in the comments. I genuinely love reading what you think. And now, meat number 4. This one surprises most people because shrimp has a reputation for being high in cholesterol, and many people assume that means it is bad for their kidneys too. But the reality is more nuanced than that, and for kidney health specifically. Fresh shrimp deserves serious reconsideration in many United States kidney nutrition discussions. Shrimp is often described as a sometimes food, meaning when eaten fresh, in the right portion, and prepared correctly, it can be included in a kidney-friendly diet. Here's exactly why fresh shrimp can work for your kidneys. Fresh shrimp is naturally very low in phosphorus and potassium. For someone managing kidney disease, this mineral profile makes shrimp one of the safer seafood options available. Unlike salmon or tuna, which are higher in potassium, fresh shrimp delivers complete protein with a much lighter mineral load on your kidneys. Fresh shrimp is also rich in astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is one of the most powerful natural antioxidants known to science. A study published in the journal Marine Drugs found that astaxanthin, the compound responsible for shrimp's pink color, demonstrated significant protective effects against oxidative stress in kidney tissue, reducing cellular damage in kidney filtration membranes. Here is the critical warning about shrimp. Never eat frozen, pre-seasoned, or restaurant-prepared shrimp if you are managing kidney health. These versions are almost always extremely high in sodium, with some containing over 800 milligrams per serving. That level of sodium, in a single portion, places enormous stress on kidneys that are already working hard. Always choose fresh raw shrimp and prepare it yourself, steam or boil in plain water. Season only with fresh lemon juice and herbs. 3 ounces, 2 to 3 times per week, is a safe and kidney-friendly portion. Let me bring all 4 meats together into a simple weekly routine you can start right now. 3 to 4 times per week. Choose skinless chicken breast, boiled or poached, seasoned with fresh herbs and lemon, 2 to 3 times per week. Choose fresh lean turkey breast, roasted without salt, seasoned with rosemary or thyme, 3 to 4 times per week. Choose whitefish, baked or steamed with fresh lemon and dill, 2 to 3 times per week. Fresh shrimp, steamed in plain water, with lemon juice only. 4 meats, 1 simple weekly routine. Your kidneys will feel the difference. If this video helped you today, please share it with someone you love, a family member, a close friend, someone who is confused about what protein is safe for their kidneys? Which of these 4 meats are you going to add to your meals first? Drop it in the comments right now. I read every single one. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do that now. Because next week, we are covering the 5 worst foods that are silently destroying your kidneys. And most people eat them every single day. You do not want to miss that one. I will see you there. Take care of yourself.